years, structure my public position or cost it megatima because it is a requirement under Article 10, 174, and that kind of thing. But we hope the new administration, Masiaya, Makisumu, and all our counties, will get a structure in place to ensure your Jopiny participate. And once your Jopiny say participate, I prioritize in terms of development. Then the question mark elephant things system government is not going to be there, should not be there, because Jopiny say, for example, between this sublocation, this village and next village, to get in that is our priority in this financial year. The executive onego team gise allocate, for example, now Orengo also he will look into the question of the ward fund. Can the executive one budget for development, one with these 30 wards to development for this financial year, when you to say 20 million or 30 million per ward. So that your ward man kanyogo, the villages man kanyogo should be made possible, no get to make a structure or make the information or make a time to talk, to discuss and prioritize these issues, because okay, this financial year, this 50 million, 30 million, 1, 2, 3 in that order. Bangman or the executive in the relevant ministries implement that one. The next government mobile, the next financial year, this project can be finished.
Gigite, you watch Jopiny you the kanye, a county cat.
Jopiny you the kama. Jopiny, okay. The first thing, and Mondo, depending on who is Jopiny, participate.